Welcome again, students. In the previous lecture, we have discussed about the image formation by convex lens, and today we are going to discuss our new topic, the image formation by concave lens. Okay, and the first case, in the case of concave lens, when the object lies at infinity, let's first draw the concave lens. Let's suppose this is our concave lens, and this is the principal axis, and this one represents the optical center. Suppose this is the center of curvature, and this is the focus. Again, here is the center of curvature, and this one is the focus. Okay, and our object lies at infinity, and we know that the rays of light comes parallel from infinity, and when the rays of light are coming parallel from infinity and they are also parallel to the principal axis, then so these two light rays were coming from the infinite source and they were parallel to each other, then our concave lens is a diverging lens. It will diverge these light rays and will diverge these light rays in this manner. As we can see from the diagram that these two light rays never meet each other in the right hand side. So if we extend them in the backward direction, if we extend them in the backward direction, then we see that these two light rays meet at the focus. So in this case, the rays of light appears to meet at a point. So here the image form is virtual image. Image form is virtual. Okay, virtual, and it is of point size. It is of point sized. बिल्कुल पॉइंट के साइज की हमारी क्या है, इमेज बनी है, वर्चुअल बनी है और एट द सेम साइज ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट बनी है. ओके, कंकेव लेंस के केस के अंदर हमारे पास सिर्फ दो ही केसेस रहेंगे. एक तो जब ऑब्जेक्ट हमारा इंफिनिटी के ऊपर हो, और दूसरा इंफिनिटी से ऑप्टिकल सेंटर के बीच में कहीं पर भी अगर ऑब्जेक्ट रखा हो, सेकंड वो केस रहेगा. ओके, ये हमारा फर्स्ट केस था. नेक्स्ट केस है व्हेन द ऑब्जेक्ट लाइज between infinity and the optical center. Between infinity and the optical center. In lies between infinity and optical center. Okay. Again we have to draw our concave lens. Again optical center, center of curvature, focus, again center of curvature, and this is the focus. Okay, let's suppose that our object lies at this point anywhere on the principal axis. Then according to our new Cartesian the rule of image formation, first ray of light goes parallel to principal axis. First ray of light goes parallel to principal axis, and after refraction it will diverge and looks like that it is coming from the focus. Okay, and second ray of light will go from the optical center. It will go from the optical center, and the rays going from the optical center will pass undeviated, and these two light rays were meets at this point. So our image is formed at this point, a prime, b prime, in the previous one and in this case, both the light rays are appears to meet at a point, so the image formed is virtual again. But in this case, the image is smaller than the object, so we will write image is smaller than the object. Image is smaller than the object. So the image formed by a concave mirror have these following two properties. Okay, so this is the image formation by concave lens. Now we have to differentiate the image formation by concave lens and convex lens. If we try to differentiate concave lens and convex lens, then what is the difference between concave lens and convex lens? I am writing convex lens versus concave lens. Here I am writing the convex lens and here I am writing concave lens. Okay, first one is the difference between their shapes. It is thick from the middle and thin at the edges. क्या रहता है, ये बीच में से मोटा रहता है और किनारों पर से पतला होता है. और कंकेव लेंस के केस में हमारे पास इट इज थिन फ्रॉम द मिडल एंड थिक एट द एजेस. थिक एट द एजेस. एजेस के ऊपर क्या रहता है, ये हमारा थिक रहता है और and next one is it forms real as well as virtual images. कन्वेक्स लेंस से हम क्या बना सकते हैं, रियल इमेजेस एज वेल एज वर्चुअल इमेजेस भी बना सकते हैं. लेकिन जो हमारा कनकेव लेंस है, इट फॉर्म्स ओनली वर्चुअल इमेजेस. ये हमेशा ही क्या है, वर्चुअल इमेजेस ही बनाता है, रियल इमेज नहीं बनाता है. नेक्स्ट यहाँ पर जो द वर्चुअल इमेज formed by the convex lens is larger than the object. मीन्स कि जो कन्वेक्स लेंस के केस में जो हमारी वर्चुअल इमेज बनती है वो ऑब्जेक्ट से क्या होती है, बड़ी होती है. लेकिन कनकेव लेंस के केस में it is smaller than the object. Okay, कनकेव लेंस के केस में क्या रहती है, ऑब्जेक्ट से छोटी होती है. सो गाइज ये हमारे पास कुछ डिफरेंसेस थे कन्वेक्स लेंस और कनकेव लेंस के बीच में. अब हम पढ़ेंगे हमारा न्यू कार्टेशियन साइन कन्वेंशंस for the lens. New Cartesian sign conventions. न्यू कार्टेशियन साइन कन्वेंशंस हमने पहले भी किए थे. इन केस ऑफ मिरर, न्यू कार्टेशियन साइन कन्वेंशंस. न्यू कार्टेशियन साइन कन्वेंशंस समझने के लिए मैं पहले एक लेंस ड्रॉ कर लेता हूँ. और सपोज ये हमारा प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस है. सो न्यू कार्टेशियन साइन कन्वेंशंस के अकॉर्डिंग हमारे पास एक पहला जो रूल है कि हमें जो ऑब्जेक्ट प्लेस करना है, ऑब्जेक्ट मस्ट बी प्लेस्ड ऑन द लेफ्ट साइड. फर्स्ट क्या है हमारा, ऑब्जेक्ट must be placed on the left side of the lens. First one is object must be placed on the left side. It is the left side of the lens. And second one, all the distances must be measured from the optical center. All the distances must be measured from the optical center. That is O. Okay. And the distances measured towards the right side of the optical center are taken as positive, and the distances taken towards the left side of the optical center are taken as negative. Okay. Again, the distances taken towards the right side of the optical center are taken as positive, and the distances towards the left side of the optical center are taken as negative. And next one is the distances measured on the upside of the principal axis. Principal axis के ऊपर की तरफ जितने भी distances हम measure करेंगे वो क्या रहेंगे, पॉजिटिव रहेंगे. और प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस के नीचे की तरफ जितने भी distances हम measure करेंगे वो सारे के सारे नेगेटिव रहेंगे. ओके. और ऑप्टिकल सेंटर से जो ऑब्जेक्ट का डिस्टेंस रहेगा उसे हम u से रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे. u क्या रहेगा हमारे पास, ऑब्जेक्ट डिस्टेंस. u विल बी द ऑब्जेक्ट डिस्टेंस. एंड ऑब्जेक्ट को हमने हमेशा ही किधर रखना है, लेफ्ट साइड में रखना है, तो u हमेशा ही हमारा नेगेटिव रहेगा. ओके. नेक्स्ट वन, द जो इमेज डिस्टेंस रहेगा ऑप्टिकल सेंटर से वो हम किससे रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे, स्मॉल v से. Image distance is measured by small v. Okay. So students, these are the new Cartesian sign conventions. And next we have to discuss about the lens formula. Like mirror formula, we have the lens formula, a mathematical relation between the object distance, image distance, and the focal length of the lens. Okay. Lens formula. It is a mathematical relation between the object distance, image distance, and the focal length. According to lens formula, 1 by f is equals to 1 by v minus 1 by u. 1 by f is equals to 1 by v minus 1 by u. But if we compare it with the mirror formula is 1 by f is equals to 1 by v plus 1 by u. This is the mirror formula. In case of mirror formula, here we have the positive sign, but in case of lens formula, here 1 by v minus 1 by u. So students, this is all about today's video. Hope you guys understand the image formation and the new Cartesian sign conventions. Thank you. Have a nice day.